Hello everyone and welcome back to another lesson of the Arabic language. This is lesson number 13. Yeah. Um, so this is lesson number 13 and today we're going to learn something called ash-shaddah. It's another thing of alamat al-tashkil, and alamat al-tashkil are the shapes that we put, like a kind of an accents that we put on a letter to change the pronunciation. So until now we know we know a bit of alamat tashkil. So this is a fatha. We know also the dhamma, kasra, and last two we learned the sukoon. So the first three we've seen a lot in my previous videos about the alphabets. These three are under one category that we call harakat, which means movements. And this one is the sukoon, which actually means the opposite of movement, which is stillness, I guess. So we have harakat and we have sukoon. And today we're going to learn something called ash-shaddah, which is kind of like a combination of both. So today's lesson is about ash-shaddah. And this is how it looks like. So it's kind of like a three looking upwards. So what's the ash-shaddah? Well, it's if whenever you have two of the same letter. So let's say we have the same letter here. Okay. The first letter has a sukoon. It has to have a sukoon, nothing else. And the other one would have any of the harakat, which means it could have fatha, it could have dhamma, or it could have kasra. Okay? So, in this case, if we have the same letter under these conditions, we combine it into one letter, which is the same letter, obviously, but we have shaddah on it, and the shaddah takes also with it either fatha, dhamma, or kasra, depending on what the second letter had. So let's have some examples. So let's say this word, the word he fed, and it's written as follows. It's akkala. And this word, because of the shaddah, is pronounced as if it is written like so. Okay, so notice what happened here. What happened is the following. The letter kaf here, it has shaddah on it, and the shaddah has fatha on it. It's pronounced as if it is two kaf. Okay, the first one has sukoon, the other one has fatha. So how do we pronounce the first one, this one? We pronounce it as if we're reading this one. And how do we read this one? Well, if you remember from the previous lesson about the sukoon, we said that you pronounce it as follows. It's akkala. It's akkala. Akkala. Okay? So, this word is akkala. So shaddah is a combination between sukoon and fatha. So whenever you have shaddah, it is as if you have the same the word has two. Let's repeat. Sorry, the letter that has a shadda is repeated twice, and the first one has sukoon, the other one has any of the harakat. And let me give another example, this time without a meaning, so we just train on how it's pronounced. Let's say this word. It's sadda. It means he blocked, but anyway. So how do you pronounce this, and how we pronounce this, and how do we pronounce this? Well, this is as if it's sad, dal, the first sad with a fatha, second, the first dal is has a sukoon, and the second has a kasra. Here it's the same way, and also this is fatha, by the way, and also here. Please excuse my handwriting. I'm trying to keep this under 10 minutes. Anyway, so we have, if we want to pronounce this one, it's saddi. It's saddi. Okay. What this one? This one would be sadda. And this one, it would be saddu. Saddi, sadda, saddu. Okay. So, how are we doing on time? I guess I'll take one more example before I go. Okay, so this time I won't show you the long form of it. So let's say okay, let's say it's this word. Or we can write it this. And this, oops, bad handwriting. Okay, so I'm going to pronounce these three. So this is la'ubu, la'uba. This is la'aba. And this is la'ibah. La'ubu, la'aba, la'iba. Yeah, la'iba. It's kind of a tongue twister for me. Anyway, so I hope it's clear, and I don't know if you guys need more lessons about this topic, just let me know. That's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.